In this video, we will demonstrate the basic process of altering printed receipts. The steps demonstrated can be used for any receipt type within WorkFlows. To begin, you must first log into WorkFlows with your Super account. We will be altering local property files, so you will need to remember to save your alterations when you log out. A reminder will be shown at the end of the video. We will focus on the checkout wizard. First, navigate to the Properties file by right-clicking on Checkout and going to Properties. The print option for all wizards will be located on the Behavior tab. I will demonstrate with the print date due slips, as it has more options than the print charge receipts. We will look at the print charge receipts afterwards, just to see the differences between the two. Once you've made your selection, you can open the print date due slips options and begin your customization. There are a number of options available to you, so you can create the type of receipt that you and your patrons want. By selecting the print a separate due date for each item, you'll be prompted for a receipt to print after each item is scanned. Selecting the print a list of patrons' current checkouts will include any checkouts the patron currently has in addition to what they are currently checking out. The print checkout totals will tally up how many items have been checked out and put a number on the receipt. Down at the bottom of the window is the Allow Date Formatting Description option. It is recommended that you leave this option off. Selecting this option turns on the Date Format Description field, allowing you to describe the date format, for example, day, month, year. This field will simply insert anything you enter into it onto your receipt. The service desk has set up the receipt dates with an alphanumeric statement, so months are spelt out. The receipt itself is set up into three sections: the header, the fields, and the footer. The receipt header can contain anything you wish. When the service desk sets up a receipt, we typically enter the library name, address, and contact information into the receipt header field. To enter data, click the gadget on the right-hand side. In the Enter String field, enter your first line of information. And then click Add. Please note that there is a 30-character limit to each line. If you want to change the order of the lines, click on the line in question and you can move it up or down as necessary. When you're happy with what you've entered, click Save. The Receipts field works very similar. Again, click the gadget, but this time you're presented with a list of options. You cannot alter the options, you have to choose what is here. Typically for a checkout, we suggest that you put in the item ID, the date it was charged, the date it was due, possibly the title of the book, and the user ID. If you want, you can put in the author call number, current time. The receipt field section works in a similar fashion. Clicking on the gadget will open the options. Here, you will be selecting from a predefined list. You will need to select the options in the order that you wish for them to appear. When you're finished, click OK. The footer works exactly like the header. Again, you're free to enter any information you wish, and you do still have a 30-character limit on the string. The receipt footer works exactly like the receipt header. Again, you're free to enter whatever you please. Click Save. Once your receipt is set up the way you wish, Click OK on the defaults pop-up screen, and you'll be brought back to the set properties. As I mentioned earlier in the video, let's look at the print charge receipts. The setup is identical, however this receipt option does not have any of the extra options like print list of current checkouts, print total checkouts, or print separate due slips. The third receipt option is the print accountability receipts. This option will be discussed in a further video focusing on accountability. When your receipt options are completed, click OK on the Set Properties window. At the start of the video I mentioned that you will be changing the local properties for WorkFlows. When you log off, you'll see the following message. The properties have been changed. Would you like to save changes? You must say yes to save the changes you made to your receipt. Thank you for watching.